This is a story of how AnyPromo went back to preschool to help a special needs classroom. Meet our teacher for the day.
My name is Mayuko Tetsubayashi. I'm the special education preschool teacher.
That's Mrs. T for short. Tell us about your class, Miss T.
Well, a classroom is a mixture of students with special needs and typical developing children. So we have various levels and different levels. So we need activities that are more hands-on for them to do. So we require different materials. We need to really think about where they are so they can learn at their level.
What are some of your students' favorite activities?
I think they all love like crafts and painting. A lot of them, are learning fine motor, but it's just more fun way to do it. We do some science experiments, and they love those science experiments.
Pour it in, see what happens. Oh! What happened to the cup? What color?
It turned red or pink.
Is there anything that makes doing more of these activities difficult?
We get some budget, but it's pretty small. So we, as teachers, have been buying a lot of our own materials, or sometimes we will ask for some donations, but mainly we do buy our own material.
We wanted to support Mrs. T and her classroom, so we put together a kit of some of our favorite magic color-changing items. How do you think the students like the items?
I think it was exciting for them to, get something new, and that creates love for learning. And we, in our preschool program, really push the love of learning because it's their first experience at school. So we want them to love learning, love school. And then it just helps, like some of the pencils and things like that we can use for fine motor skills. Those are important skills to even practice writing their names before they go to kindergarten.
What do you think parents will think?
Some parents with students with special needs, they have different challenges, and I want them to feel supported, and having these kind of items will kind of let them get excited. Maybe they can extend what we did here to home so they can work on some of the skills at home as well.
Green? Is it green? Yeah, I think it's green.
I told you.
What do you want people to know about special education?
I just want people to understand that they can learn. They just need different things. Maybe they need different techniques or they need different support, but I want them to really understand that they can all learn.
What did you think about the final product?
No, it was great. I think it was exciting for us to see our logo on the bag. And then I hope that can provide more awareness to the community that we have a program like this.
Well, that's the bell. It's time for us to leave, but we are so happy and grateful to have spent some time with Mrs. T and her classroom. We got to share some of our favorite items with her, and we hope that these items help spread the word about the importance of supporting special education. For custom products to support your school or cause, check out AnyPromo.com.